We have already discussed about tangent vectors to parameterized vectors. Now we want to find the some tangent vectors of parameterized vectors. So first we have a problem. Find the tangent vector of a curve parameterized by the value function r of t is equal to 3 cos t I plus 2 sin t j. We also want to sketch this curve C and we have to mark these vectors r of 0, r of pi by 3, also r bar dash of 0 and r bar dash of pi by 3 on the same curve. So first we have to find r bar dash of t, and we know that the tangent vector is given by r bar dash of t, and we have minus 3 to sin t I plus 2 cos t j. Now we want to find all these vectors. So we have r of 0 is equal to 3 I. Now r of pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2 I plus, actually this is root 3 by 2 times 2, so that is root 3 j. And also we have r bar dash of 0 is equal to sin 2 j, and r bar dash of pi by 3 is equal to minus 3 root 3 by 2 I plus 2 1 by 2 j, that is plus 3. So we have r bar dash of pi by 3 is equal to minus 3 root 3 by 2 plus j, and now we can sketch the curve. And we know that this equation, this r of t represents, this is equal to actually cos square t plus sin square t is equal to 1 into x square by 9 plus I square by 4 is equal to 1, and here it is the ellipse. So we have the ellipse with major axis 3, the points are 3 0, minus 3 0, and here we have minus 2 0 and 2 0. We know this is our curve, and we have this is our orientation. Now we want to mark these vectors. Here r of 0 is equal to this vector 3a. So r of 0 is equal to this. Now what is r dash of 0? Of course it is tangent to this curve and 2j. That means here the tangent vector is r bar dash of 0 and the point 3 0. 3 0, the tangent vector is r bar dash of 0. Now we want to find mark r bar of pi by 3, that is equal to 3 by 2 root 3j. So here root 3 by 2 is going at root 3 1. So this is our vector here. So r of pi by 3 is this. And now we have the tangent vector minus root 3 by 2. So x point goes in this way. Minus 3 by 2 root 3, and we have the y value is 1. So here our vector is this. So r bar dash of pi by 3 is this, and we have r of 0 is this. So we have this is our tangent here, and this is our tangent here at these points. Similarly, we can mark the tangent vectors for any point of any given parameterized vector. We can see one more example. We want to find the tangent vectors of the curve traced by the parameterized curve r of t is equal to root t I plus t minus 4j. So here r bar dash of t, and we want to find its tangent vector at t is equal to 2, and also sketch the curve and plot the vectors r of 2 and r bar dash of 2. So we have r bar dash of t is equal to 1 by 2 root t I plus j, and r bar of 2 is equal to root 2i plus 2 minus 4, that means minus 2j, and r bar dash of 2 is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 I plus j. Now we have our curve. First we want to draw a curve. Here root t is equal to x, that means t equal to x square. So y is equal to s square minus 4 or x square equal to I plus 1. And we know that this represents the parabola with the vertex 0 minus 1. And here it gives us 2 0, and now it gives us minus 2 0. So our parabola is like this. So this is our curve. And now we want to find r of 2. That is, the endpoints are root 2 and minus 2. So root 2 means x coordinate is here and y coordinate is minus 2. So our vector is almost like here. This is our r of 2. And now we have 1 by 2 root 2, 1. That means x value is nearly 0.335 and y value is 1. So our vector is like this. And when we draw here, this is our tangent parallel to this vector. So this is the tangent vector here, r bar dash of 2. Similarly, by finding the endpoints and also the vectors, we can mark any position vector and any tangent vector at the curves. So here we have. So now we can do another type of problem of these tangent vectors. So now our question is, find the parametric equation for the tangent line to the helix with parametric equation x is equal to 3 cos t, y is equal to 2 sin t, z is equal to t, while t is equal to pi by 6. Here we have to find the parametric equation of the tangent line. We know how to find tangent vectors, and we know the parametric equation of a tangent line is obtained by parameterizing the line parallel to the tangent vector, to the given tangent vector. So we have r of t is equal to this, then dr by dt is equal to minus sin t I plus 2 cos t j plus k. Now at t is equal to pi by 6, we have r of t is equal to, r of pi by 6 is equal to 3 root 3 by 2 I plus 2 by 1 by 2, so j plus pi by 6k. And we have r bar dash of t is equal to pi by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2i plus 2 root 3 by 2, that means root 3j plus k. So here our parametric equation at the point, this point, the end point here is root 3 by 2 is 3 root 3 by 2, 1 5 by 6. So through this point, the equation of the line passing through the plane is given by x is equal to x naught plus tu1. That means x naught is here 3 root 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is u1, so minus 1 by 2 t. And y is equal to 1 plus root 3 t. Z is equal to pi by 6 plus. So here we have the parametric equation for the tangent line passing through this point. Now we can do one more problem for finding parametric equation of a tangent line of the given parametrized curve. So now our question is x is equal to 2 cos t, y is equal to t square, and z is equal to 2 sin t. We have to find the parametric equation of the parametric equation of the tangent line of the given curve at the point t is equal to pi by 4. So here we have dr by dt is equal to minus 2 sin t I plus 2tj plus 2 cos t. We have r of pi by 4 is equal to r of pi by 4. Here our r of t. So that is equal to 2 by root 2 I plus t square. That means pi square by 8 plus j plus 2 sin 2 by root 8. That is equal to 2 by root 2 I plus pi square by 8 j plus root 2 k. Now r bar dash of t is equal to, that means pi by 4 is equal to minus 2 by root 2, that is minus root 2 I plus 2 pi by 4, that means pi by 2 j plus 2 by root 2 k. So the point here is root 2 pi square by 8 root 2, and the equation of the tangent line is x is equal to x naught root 2 plus u minus root 2, so minus root 2 t, and y is equal to pi square by 8 plus pi by 2 t, and z is equal to root 2 plus root 2 t. So this is the parameterized equation of the given line passing through the point at t is equal to pi by 4 and parallel to the tangent. Thank you.